ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ngut kisnar nong Lute kilang Ngat haka Shrip jong ki Pulit ka West Khasi Hills District halor ka jingdon kti ban lek Prong to ya ka Meghalaya Rural Bank kabadan haka snong Rambrai haka step sngi palai jong ka arpuway terik upna risau arhajar arpuway daga jing thmu ban Lute ru ya ka pisa kabadan haka ni ka bank Superintendent of Police ka West Khasi Hills District uba Herbert G Lingdo habaya kren shikilat pathai khubor uliyatho bakine ki ngut kisnar Lute ki bala persang ban Lute hapo kani ka bank bat penpat shwa ya ki core computer jong ki CCTV camera bat hadin kani kat bakidang persang ban penpat saya ka safe bo pisa kalami kensan ka jingsawa ka baje alam ka bala penkendit threat ya kini ki nong Lute Shisho uniu he Pulit ka West Khasi Hills District ulaong batang shuyo jingtip halor kani ka jingjia ula pha yu officer in charge jong ka Nongstone Police Station ban penlong ya ka jing tokit ringkat lang bat ka jing sakhilang jong sordar ka snong Rambrai Hagbay day bat kani ka jingjia ki Pulit kila register ya ka case bat ka jing tokit kadang ya shakman ban lap ya ka jing shisha baro
On 21/10/2021 at around 3:13 in the morning, we received reliable information that some unknown miscreants have broken open the bank, Meghalaya Rural Bank at Rambrai, and they were trying to commit a robbery. Immediately on receipt of this information, we have immediately sent OC Nongstone to proceed to the spot and to inform the Sardar there. The Sardar was informed, and immediately he, along with some of his villagers there, they have gone to the bank, and by then these burglars, they have already left the area, and our police team managed to apprehend them at Mauli village. So 6 people, at first 4 robbers along with the driver was arrested. Subsequently, we went again to the PO, and from CCTV camera footage, we found that another person was there who we managed to apprehend. So total we have arrested 6 people in this regard. The thieves, they tried to loot the bank. They cut the grill and they cut the lock and they entered the bank. They have destroyed the CCTV camera, computer there, but they tried to open the safe, but they could not. They were not successful. By then, when the alarm has already been raised, they've all left the scene, and it was then that our police team rushed and managed to apprehend them. As of now, investigation is on. We have registered a case, and we'll look into the matter. Thank you. Second, the 6th person we arrested was Tara Singh Nongri. Mostly they are from that area only, and one of them is a known cattle lifter also. So these are we don't suspect any organized gang or anything. These are lumpen elements who just got together. So I'm sure that with further investigation, we will be able to charge this case soon. Accused persons today, one is Shri Plums Iem, another one is Shri Loren Lahar, then Shri Laurentius Kharbani, Shri Oras Lingkhoi, Shri Tiful Pulit. These were arrested.